Hey guys, want to secure your WordPress site with HTTPS? The really simple SSL plugin makes it fast and easy. In this video, I will walk you through step by step how to activate SSL using this plugin. So before you use the plugin, make sure that your hosting provider has an SSL certificate installed for your domain. Most hosts now offer free SSL with their plan. Go to your WordPress admin panel. From the left menu, click on Plugins. Choose Add New to search for the plugin you will need and search for Really Simple SSL and install the one by Really Simple Plugins. Click Activate once the installation is complete to launch. Click Activate once the installation is complete to launch the SSL setup. After activation, the plugin will detect your SSL certificate automatically. Click the Go Ahead Activate SSL button to switch your site from HTTP to HTTPS. The plugin will update your WordPress URL, settings, and fix any insecure content links automatically, so you don't need to manually adjust anything. Visit your website to confirm the HTTPS padlock is now showing. If you see the lock, your SSL is active and your connection is secure. So, Really Simple SSL continues to monitor your site and will notify you if SSL issues come up in the future. You can also explore advanced settings for mixed content fixes. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.